My Whirlpool washer threw a code Re5.
Is your Whirlpool washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Front loading.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool washer? What have you tried so far?
It was just installed in February.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues with your appliance. I understand how frustrating that must be. So hopefully we can get this resolved quickly. Note, however, I'll also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in my responses, so do not panic, just wait for my reply. May I have the appliance's full model number right off the actual appliance itself, please?
Customer attachment June 19, 2021 3:13 and 8 seconds p.m. I just sent you a picture of the manufacturer sticker with all of serial numbers you may need.
So the model number is WFW3090JW0. Thank you. Give me a few minutes to pull up any information on this model. I am also assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses, to do not panic, just wait for my reply. And please remember, I'll also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in my responses, so do not panic, just wait for my reply.
The problem I'm having with it is that it threw the code Re5.
I want to let you know this chat is for a third-party technical help site. We provide technical assistance for owners doing DIY repair, and are not affiliated with any manufacturer or repair service. If you have technical questions, I can answer any of them, but this will require warranty service or questions for your appliance manufacturer. And if the appliance is less than 1 year old, then you need to contact the manufacturer, as it would be under warranty. And if you perform any work on the appliance, you will void the warranty from them. This is not a manufacturer's website.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, the unit technical data sheet only has error code that start with the letter F and on error code of RES or Re5. What was the washer doing when you saw this code?
I started a load of laundry. I put the washer on the 55-minute cycle, normal cycle. I noticed that I didn't hear the washer go through the spin cycle, so I went check on it. The washer was going through the countdown for the time on the washer, but nothing was happening. I started checking it out, and that's when I realized that our water was turned off due to a leak in the town. Happens pretty often since they are replacing the water lines in our town. They put alerts out on Facebook, but no direct messages to the people in town. So I didn't know, otherwise I wouldn't have started my washer. I didn't think it was a big deal, so I turned the washer off to let it reset itself, thinking that would fix itself. Turned it back on, and normally it'll turn on spin, lock the door, and then water will shoot out and the cycle will begin. Well, it hasn't done that since the day the water was turned off. So I got to pressing more buttons and checking it out into more depth this time, and that's when I found the Re5 code that popped up. I put it in demo mode a couple of times, hoping that would reset it, but it hasn't. Not sure if there's anything else I can do as far doing anything with codes. I haven't been able to get in touch with a Whirlpool customer service agent because I work until 5 and don't get home until 6, and that's Oklahoma time, and Whirlpool is based off of Eastern time. I wasn't sure if there's anything you can suggest me to do. I'm hoping the pump didn't get burnt up. As the washer goes through the countdown, no water will come out into the drum and nothing happens. The minutes will literally just count down.
Okay, and you do in fact have a water supply to the washer at this time? So have you unplugged the unit for 5 minutes to try and reboot the electronic control board yet? If not, let's unplug or turn the circuit breaker off for 5 minutes or more, then give it power and see if it does the same thing. This unplugging for 5 minutes or more will hopefully reboot the electronic control board's memory. Let me know what it does. It has to be powered down for over 5 minutes for the control board's memory chip to go dead and reboot the control board. Anything less than 5 minutes is a waste of time.
We haven't unplugged the washer yet only because the dryer is stacked on top of the washer, and it's pretty hard to access the outlets to unplug them. We would have to unscrew the dryer from the mount to get access to the outlet, so we're trying everything else before we have to do that, if you know what I mean, lol. But we have turned the breaker off multiple times for about 5 minutes to that part of the house to let it reset.
So you do not have a circuit breaker just for the washer?
We do. Customer attachment June 19, 2021 4:02 and 45 seconds p.m.
Okay, and you turned it off and then made sure the washer had no power or lights, correct?
The washer does have full water access. We were only without water an hour that day. The washer is plugged into the outlet still, but I have the circuit breaker off to the washer and dryer, so there is no power going to those devices. I double-checked and there's no power to them.
Okay, so after the 5-minute reboot process, let's see if it is still the same or if it then works or not and go from there.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, I turned it back on and nothing changed.
Okay, so then you most likely have a control board issue, so you will in fact need to contact the manufacturer directly. Whirlpool Customer Service Department 1-.
That's what I figured. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.
Always glad to assist you anytime. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. Master Tech. Have a safe rest of the week and weekend. I have to be the last to post or the question will not close. Thank you. Stay safe. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.